Today we're covering how to pour a concrete driveway entrance the right way. Here's what you need to know. Step-by-step guide to pouring a concrete driveway entrance. Materials, costs, common mistakes, and what NC homeowners need to know before starting. Quick answer. A properly poured concrete driveway entrance costs $800 to $2,500, requires 3,500 to 4,000 psi concrete at 4 to 6 inches thick, and should cure for at least 7 days before vehicle traffic. Skip proper subgrade preparation or control joints, and the slab will crack within a few years. Pouring a concrete driveway entrance sounds straightforward until you're watching a slab heave, crack, or scale after 2 winters. Getting it right the first time means understanding mix design, subgrade prep, joint placement, and curing, not just showing up with a ready-mix truck. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This guide walks through every step of a driveway entrance pour the right way, with the numbers and material specs you need to evaluate any bid or oversee a project intelligently. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that has been funding every project on its own balance sheet, serving homeowners across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company has earned hundreds of 5-star Google reviews and specializes in residential concrete work, including driveway entrances, aprons, slabs, and decorative flatwork. A typical concrete driveway entrance in the Charlotte Metro or Raleigh-Cary market runs between $800 and $2,500 depending on width, thickness, and finish, and Local Concrete handles projects of all sizes. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a strict pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the finished work meets their expectations, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. This protects NC homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that too many contractors exploit. Driveway entrance pours typically require 4 to 6 inches of concrete at 3,500 to 4,000 psi, with proper subgrade preparation and control joints to prevent cracking over time. Moving on to what counts as a driveway entrance. A driveway entrance, sometimes called an apron or curb cut, is the transitional slab between a public street or sidewalk and the private driveway surface. It bears more traffic stress than mid-driveway sections because vehicles decelerate, turn, and pivot on it daily. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.